Get your mind out of the gutter.
Get my mind out of the gutter. That's a good one, Laura. Good one. Don't ever have your mind in the gutter. That can get you in trouble. Let me see. What was I going to do? What was I saying?
I don't remember.
So, hey guys, I'm Mike.
I'm Laura.
And we are
Match Made in Heaven.
And we are enjoying our porch.
Yes.
We have been working hard 2 weekends now, but we have it a roof over our head. We used our existing metal roof. So thanks again, RTM Roofing, for leaving it, piling it up for us. We put the structure in place, put some OSB down, some barrier, put the metal roof in, built our own fascia yesterday.
Yep, we did.
We've been very, very busy. But now it's 2 gutters. This video is about gutters. So we love Lowe's.
Get your mind out of the gutter.
Get my mind out of the gutter. That's a good one, Laura. Good one. Don't ever have your mind in the gutter. That can get you in trouble. That's not what we're talking about today. We're not talking about bad gutter mind. We're talking about gutters, and we like Lowe's, so we're at Lowe's looking for gutters. So we have the vinyl option, and we have the aluminum options. We love to shop there because of the veteran discount. So if you don't have the veteran discount, you need to get that. But so we're looking at gutters. So we go to aluminum first, and we had everything picked out, all the pieces.
Yeah.
And then I see vinyl, and vinyl's cheaper.
So guess what Michael chose?
We went with vinyl this time. So this is a manufacturer, Amerimax.
I guess that's what it says. It's made in the USA.
Some of the pieces are made in the USA. So this little spout here is made in the USA. This section here for the downspout is made in Canada. So I've noticed.
Well, that's North America.
Most pieces have been made in Canada, which is pretty cool. But anyways, so we're going to show you our vinyl gutters on our porch, and a funny story about that yesterday. So when you install 10-foot long pieces of gutter, you have to connect them together. So what I really like about the vinyl is these sections come with sealant already on them, and there's no caulking or anything that's necessary. But for you amateurs like me, watch a YouTube video before you try to put it together. So we're going to share our experience. So hopefully if you do Amerimax vinyl gutters, you can do that. But this piece here is pretty cool. This is how you can combine 2 pieces of gutter together.
It's called a joiner.
A joiner, and we spent
an hour and 15 minutes yesterday
trying to put 2 pieces together. So we started with it together and just tried to shove the gutter pieces in and tried to join them. Very frustrating.
Didn't work.
Don't try that. So then we thought, well, let's put 1 piece of the connection in the gutter, and then the other piece and on the other side, and then we'll just try to slide them together. That'll work. Nope, that didn't work either. So we tried multiple variations and no success. So we'll show you all these vinyl gutter pieces. These are the pieces that we use to hang the gutters.
The clips.
Clips I had to screw in, hanging off the top of the roof to screw them in because
I will say he was standing on a, what is that, a 2x8?
Yeah.
A 2x8 yesterday, 20 feet off the ground. No nets. It's like a circus act around here. He was making me nervous.
Still successful and trying to do this.
Yeah, with one hand.
So multiple pieces. Here's an end cap but you can also see the sealant that's on these. That's what I like about it. There's no caulking. You just connect it all together, and we should get better support out of the aluminum. You scratch it, you know, this looks like it might last longer. We'll see. We'll give it a shot. But let's see now if we can put these two gutters together correctly and show you how to do it.
All right.
Here's a piece of the downspout, 10-foot sections. So we have a 24-foot span on our porch. So we've bought 3 of these 10-foot long sections for our install. So here's some pictures of the different accessories on the vinyl from Amerimax. This is for the downspout to clip on. You can see that piece was made in the USA. These are the clips for the gutters themselves to hang them on the side near your fascia, your 2x6, whatever you're using there in your install. Here's a end cap for the gutters. These come together in 2-piece. You can see this one here is made in Canada, and it's got that sealant on there that's pretty cool. This is that frustration piece that we've been talking about so much, the joiner. Put this piece on the inside, join your 2 gutters together first, and then just clip this on. Long story on that one. Here's some more elbows, Amerimax, made in Canada also, for the downspout. And then this is our downspout connection. One thing on the downspout connection that we're getting ready to put in, you can see on the inside here it's got some temperature readings. So when you measure your gutter and cut, you want to measure to the right temperature. So right now we're between the plus 65 Fahrenheit and 85 degrees. So that's when we'll be cutting, because the vinyl is going to expand and then change during the winter when things cool down. And then this is a piece of downspout here for our curve that we're going to need to come back in, so we can take, and you can see the manufacturer here. This one's made in the USA, so some of it's in Canada, some of it's in the USA.
Just to show you all, I am not exaggerating on how high off the ground he is, standing on nothing but a 2x8.
Alright, so we have the 2x10s joined together. What did I say, 2x10? The 2 10-foot long pieces of gutter joined together. The
joiner
is on the inside, and the sealant is sealing the 2 together. Now we're supposed to put this on to connect it and make it. This is what we were all trying to do, pushing these things together yesterday. So let's see. So that snapped on the back.
Oh, well, that was easy.
And now you're supposed to snap this on the front. Look at that.
Oh, wow, and it took you like, what, 5 minutes?
An hour of frustration last night. So I hope you learned from that. Put your seal in first on the inside, push your 2 pieces of gutter together, your vinyl, then snap on the outside. Just an hour of time.
Don't be too proud to get on YouTube and look for videos, which is how we learned last night.
Amerimax for posting it.
There he is, screwing in the downspout.
Alright guys, I got the downspout put on, coming down, finished it up, had to turn here, go on down. And then there's your gutter all the way across. So there's the connection in the one. It's been a long weekend, so works out pretty good. We're enjoying the porch. Right? Match mead?
Yes!
All right.